Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a full deep review of Microsoft PC Manager, which in my opinion is easily one of the best free optimization tools you can get for Windows right now. If you've been using paid cleaners that constantly spam you with ads or beg for subscriptions, just stop. This one is free, safe, made by Microsoft, and honestly does everything you actually need without any of the nonsense. So, let's start from the beginning. You download Microsoft PC Manager straight from Microsoft's official site, so there's no risk of getting some shady version. The installation takes like 10 seconds, and when you open it, the interface is super clean and simple. No complicated menus, no confusing buttons. Everything is right in front of you. The first thing you'll see is the Boost button. When you click Boost, it will instantly clear temporary files, free up RAM, and close unnecessary background processes. It's basically a quick speed-up button for your PC. If your computer has been running for hours or it feels slow, this alone can make it feel fresh again. Then you've got the Deep Cleanup feature. This is where most of the magic happens. When you run a deep cleanup, the app scans your system for junk like temporary files, cache, old update leftovers, browser junk, system logs, and even leftover files from uninstalled apps. After scanning, it shows how much space you can free. You just hit clean and boom, your drive instantly has more space and your PC feels lighter. Because it's made by Microsoft, it knows exactly where Windows hides its junk, and it doesn't delete anything important. Next is the startup section. A lot of people don't realize their PC boots slowly because a bunch of apps automatically launch at startup. Microsoft PC Manager shows you every single startup app and lets you disable them with one click. It even gives recommendations, so you know what's safe to turn off. Doing this can literally cut your startup time in half. There's also a process management section. This is basically a simpler version of Task Manager where you can see what apps are running and how much memory they're using. If something is slowing down your PC, you can end it immediately without digging through Windows menus. Then you have Storage Management. This shows you what's taking up space on your drives, helps you manage large files, and even lets you uninstall apps straight from the panel. It's super handy if your C drive is getting full. Speaking of apps, there's an app manager built in that lets you uninstall programs, check which ones are taking up the most space, and see what you haven't used in a long time. No need to go to Control Panel or Settings. Everything is right there. Security-wise, Microsoft PC Manager also gives you basic protection features like quick virus scans, browser protection, and blocking suspicious pop-ups. It's not a full antivirus, but it works alongside Windows Defender to give you a little extra safety. And since it's from Microsoft, you don't have to worry about shady data collection or fake warnings like those other so-called cleaner apps that say your PC has 4,000 errors and you need to pay to fix them. It even includes an update manager that shows you pending Windows updates, optional updates, and driver updates. You can update everything from inside the app without going through a bunch of menus. Now, why is this better than third-party cleaners? Let me keep it simple. It's completely free. It's ad-free. It's lightweight. It's safe. It won't track your data. It won't slow your PC down. It won't try to scare you into a subscription. And it's made by the same company that makes Windows, which means it actually understands the system instead of randomly deleting stuff. If you want the best performance, you can just run Boost once a day, do a deep cleanup once a week, disable unnecessary startup apps, uninstall stuff you don't use, and keep your Windows updates fresh. That alone will keep your PC running fast and clean without paying a single cent for any other cleaner. So yeah, Microsoft PC Manager might look simple, but it does everything you actually need in an optimization tool. It frees space, speeds up boot time, improves performance, manages apps, and adds a layer of security. No subscriptions, no ads, no fake error messages. If you're paying for another cleaner right now, save your money and switch to this. That's the full review. If you want more videos like this or more PC optimization tips, hit that like button and subscribe.